Well, Captain Sandra, congratulations on your promotion from first mate to captain. How does it feel?
Great and painful.
Well, you went through an appendectomy and it's been 1 week. And we're leaving on Tuesday. Today is Sunday. So you're up for it?
I'm ready. Can't wait.
So all you have to do is sit in the boat and
steer. And
all
you
right.
do all the grunt work now.
Welcome to Sailing Cayenne 2. Join us as we explore the beautiful Chesapeake Bay in our newly refitted Morgantown Island Ketch, and watch as we're preparing the final touches for our 2021 snowbird journey from Baltimore, Maryland to sunny tropical destinations.
29 months of interesting hard work on everybody's part. Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Well, we're ready to get underway, I think.
It was a lovely 4 months at Comanche Cove Marina. We really enjoyed our stay, but it's time to move on, and we want to say thanks to all of our friends, and especially the staff at Comanche, Lori, Mike, and Paige. Thank you so much for your hospitality. We'll see you again in November. Now let's go test out our Hydrovane.
First trip out into the ocean for me. Of course, there's no wind.
We're just leaving St. Augustine, and Hydrovane is not active yet. We're going to get out, find a little bit of wind today, give the Hydrovane a bit of a test. Hey everybody, we are about 3 miles offshore from St. Augustine, and it is a beautiful day out here today. A little bit of company out here, not much. And Cayenne 2 is fully dependent now on Hydrovane. So here we are sailing with the mizzen. Very light air, only 5 to 7 knots. Not much, but just enough with a full Genoa and a mizzen mast, and the Hydrovane is balanced very, very nicely. Our new clear windows that Sandra put up work very well, keep the cold air out. There's the Q Ocean freighter behind us, which we spotted on AIS a while ago. And we are just hopefully looking to see some dolphins or some whales or something, but I don't know that we're going to get that happening today. It is a beautiful day. So far, not a cloud in the sky. Panels are getting their nutrients, and all is good. Yeah, that's okay. We had a little gust of wind. You can try adjusting the hydrovane to bring it back. Well, experiment with it. Oh, we're a good course right there. Perfect. As you can see, the hydrovane is trailing along very nicely. We have it set to the center setting, which is 35 degrees either way, and it's counterbalanced nicely, holding steady. Our davit supports are looking good. Davit's nice and sturdy now. Just need to get our spare oars and gas can in there for emergency. Hey, honey. The thing with the hydrovane, it won't always steer perfect. It'll go off and then it'll come back. That's just the nature of the beast. But much, much nicer. Ooh. Oh, he's towing a boat. That's a bunch of heads in it. That's a training boat.
We hope you enjoyed this episode of Sailing Cayenne 2. Join us next time as we spend our last couple of days in St. Augustine before we head north.